Most cars now come equipped with a cabin air filter that filters out up to 90% of dust, pollen, and other airborne particles that pass through your air vents, creating a healthier, more comfortable cabin environment whenever you use your air conditioner, heater, or fan. Fact is, just like your home's furnace air filter, over time, dust and dirt build up, which prevents it from doing its job efficiently. When this happens, you may notice a reduced airflow through your vents, smell bad odors, or see a dusty buildup on the dash and instrument panel, or around the vents, which means it's time to replace your cabin air filter. It's recommended that you replace your cabin air filter about every 15,000 miles. However, this can depend on how much and where you drive. Check your owner's manual for recommended change intervals. Call your local Quick Lane for service hours and more. No appointment necessary.